Hi guys, it's me again and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to hike again and we're going to this mountain here. It's the Great Sugarloaf. So that's it there. So samahan niyo po kami. Come with us on our hike. Hi, it's a beautiful day. Hey. Hi. Ang daming umakyat ngayon. Napakaganda ng araw. So I'll see you guys there at the top. Okay, now next level. Oh, very rocky.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. So, although it doesn't look like we're getting close, we are actually close. We're just at the foot of the mountain now, so just have to be very careful. So it's very rocky.
There's obviously like lots of ice and lots of snow because we're very high.
Ooh. As you can see, there's a lot of people. I don't know if you can see those through there climbing up. Hi. And from where I am standing, and you can see now the view.
No, when it gets so straight from Mary Kate. No!
Yeah, Marcy's going to go.
There. Hi. Okay guys, we're just having a little break. Inom lang and energy bar. And Emma's having a break. Yeah? What's that? You have a sandwich? Hmm? 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 Hey. Emma. Hey. Boo. Peekaboo. Mm. 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 Be careful. Okay, let us continue. Kaya pa?
Kaya.
Okay.
Sa ekonomiya.
Hi. It's very rocky in this area. So, after you. So guys, next stop is yung malapit na sa pinaka summit, but as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but we can actually see where we were yesterday. It's in the Three Rock Mountain, which is in Tiknak. And from here as well, you can see the Powers Court Hotel and Spa, as well as the Powers Court Gardens and the Powers Court Waterfall. It's amazing, the nature here. Ooh. We are nearly there. Okay, so we'll see you at the top. Okay, so going on to continue at the top, the summit. Okay, these rocks are so sharp and edgy, so dito na ako sa top, the summit.
Okay guys, I'm just gonna go down now. Okay,
really nice experience being up here. So let's go down. Hi guys! So we ended up here na sa small Sugarloaf, mini Sugarloaf na dyan sa likod. Yan. Okay. So we just finished climbing up the big Sugarloaf. So we did it. We're done. So we're going back now to our car. And it was such a nice feeling na ma-achieve mo yung pinakatuktok ng Sugarloaf. It's an amazing feeling and it's really good. You can see the views from up there, really. So thank God for this creation. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay.
Hindi lang namin sinama si baby na sa taas kasi medyo risky. Medyo matarik na siya at saka mabato. Medyo hindi na namin inakyat si baby namin. So misis ko na lang umakyat. Umakyat din ako kanina nung bumaba siya. So next time na siguro medyo malaki-laki na ang baby namin.
We did. Dinala namin siya dito sa mini Sugarloaf.
Mini Sugarloaf.
Mini Sugarloaf. Yeah. Ayan, hi guys, we just stopped by dito lang sa may flat area para mag break ulit, magmerienda. Another tipid tips guys, magbaon ng sandwich. Although mayroong nagbibenta ng mga sandwiches and coffees near the parking area, it is better na magdala na lang kayo ng sarili nyong sandwich. Mas tipid na yon, and at least you can choose whatever food you wanted to bring. And another thing is always bring a first aid kit because I had a small accident kanina. So ayan, hindi naman masakit pero wala kaming plaster at the moment, but it's okay. It's worth it naman yung sugat dahil nakarating kami sa pinakasummit. And we are so happy.
Yun yung kwan. That's the Sugarloaf.
Yeah.
Namin.
We were there earlier on. So ayun. So merienda muna kami and then we'll head home. Hi guys, so we're just finished now on our mountain climbing. That's the Sugarloaf at the background. So nakyat namin, andito na kami sa baba. So it was such an amazing experience going up the mountain, and I'm really glad with myself dahil I've reached the top, the very top of the mountain there. Napakaganda. It's wonderful and amazing, God's creation. So I hope you enjoy guys our video today, our adventure today. So if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please hit like, subscribe, and press the notification bell down below if you wanted to be updated on our next adventure. So I hope you guys visit this place. It's a must-see place, and it just takes a lot of effort and courage to climb up the mountain dahil hindi ganon kadali. It's not that easy to climb up, especially if you're not professional or if you're not experienced climber. So I suggest you guys take your time and really careful. Okay, thanks. God bless. Bye.